Hello explorers, Curio Explorer here, and I have made it to my hotel room in Barcelona, Spain. Finally, it has been 18 months since I was supposed to come to Spain because you know what happened in 2020. You know, that's a recurring theme. 2020 just took everything out. But yeah, so I'm in my hotel. The name of this hotel is Hotel Alexandra Barcelona. It's a Hilton hotel, part of the Curio Collection. And I'm going to take you on a tour, as I always do, of my hotel rooms and hotels and see what's in the hotel amenities and all that stuff. And it's also in a great location. It's in the city center, but I will see how convenient it is when I start really truly exploring tomorrow. With that said, I am going to first start with a tour of the room. I have since freshened up, so I'm going to take you back an hour or so you can see the room before I got settled and making everything a mess. And then we're going to go out and actually see the hotel. So let's get into it. But first, if you have not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and then the notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. Videos are released on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Time and Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And on my channel, I talk about all things travel, photography, and the environment. Now let's get on this hotel tour. First up, we are headed to floor A, which you can access from either elevator, to the restaurant where you can have breakfast. Breakfast is served Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and on Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now let's head downstairs. As I head downstairs to the lobby, I want to mention that the hotel does offer room service, in which they have the information on how to order in the room, and you can order online, but it comes from an off-site vendor. So it won't be in the hotel. You have to order through that app or call that special number in order to get food delivered to your room. Now we're in the lobby and we're going to head over to Solomillo restaurant. Now this was a Monday and I'm quite confused because the sheet they provided to me said the restaurant was not open on Mondays, but it definitely was. So just check with the lobby when you're there to see when the restaurant is open for operation, and it should be open for lunch and for dinner. And I must say the ecological burger that I had was delicious. Now let's walk away from the lobby where you would check in at the front desk with the receptionist over to the first elevator on the left as you walk from the lobby towards elevators. You're going to take that elevator down to the first floor and you'll be able to access the gym there. The gym is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. on every single day. Now, if the gym is not your scene, you can head back up to the main floor and head over to this other elevator all the way back off in the corner, which will take you down to the pool level. The pool also has a terrace outside, and the pool is open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. every single day, and the terrace is open to 11 p.m. You can take food out on the terrace, but while I was there, it was rainy every single day. So I definitely didn't get to enjoy being out on the terrace, but it is a really cute area and really nice place to just hang out and relax. As we explore the pool and terrace area, I want to tell you about if you need a COVID test. You can head to the front desk and they will help you pay for a voucher and tell you where to go off-site to take the COVID test, which was about 18 minutes away. And it was very efficient. And it's a first come, first served basis on appointments, but you don't have to book in advance. And it wasn't pretty expensive. I think it was like $50 for me to take a test. I really enjoyed staying at this hotel in Barcelona, the Alexandra Barcelona Hotel by Hilton. And if you're ever in the area, I highly recommend you stay here as they have an amazing, friendly staff. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you again. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.